Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips and tricks for marketing on your Facebook business page that'll help you increase engagement and followers. Okay, stick around. We'll be right back in just a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and what we do here is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, general value videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you as well. Alright, also if this is your first time here to my video or my channel, and or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here, okay? Alrighty, great. Well, with all that to do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you 4 tips and tricks on for marketing on your Facebook business page. It'll help you increase your engagement and followers, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do is come over here. The first thing that we're going to look into is something called Facebook Canvas. All right, so come over here. Now I'm going to be using my page, of course. And on Facebook Canvas, they've changed it up a little bit. It used to be designated as Facebook Canvas, but it's something different now about experience here, and I'll show you right now. So when you click on a post, and then to write a post, and if you want to write anything about that, you click on photo and video, and that opens up this menu right here. Now you see here you can upload photos and videos, and create a photo album if you want, and create a photo carousel, create a slideshow. And right here, this used to be where it said Facebook Canvas right here, but now it says create an instant experience. But that's okay, the Facebook Canvas is still here. So if we click on create an instant experience for our followers and our people that liked our page, it opens up this window here, and again you can say something about your photo, video, or whatever it is that you're uploading. Now if you look right here, it says select a canvas. So this is where it's at now. Now when you to select a canvas, you're going to come over here and click the plus sign. It opens up this page right here, and you can give it a title if you want, the instant experience it's called. And then on the settings, if you want to have a light theme or a dark theme, or you can create your own custom theme, whatever that might be. I mean, you know, you can just choose whatever different colors that you want for your theme on your canvas experience here that you're creating. Now after that, you want to make sure, because if you add your website link to your experience here or your canvas, you want to make sure that this is turned on right here, so that when people swipe, they can go and see the link, or swipe up to see the link to tap on. That'll take them to your offer or your website or your landing page or whatever it is that you're including in on your canvas experience here. Okay. And then after that, you want to click on add a component, and then that brings this window up, and you can choose a button which will lead them to either your offer, your website, landing page, whatever, probably, and a carousel of pictures, photo, or a text block, video, or a header. And when you click on that, then or whatever you choose here, and click OK, it sets it down here, and it gives you the ability to upload the video or work with it or put text in or whatnot, and so on and so forth. And then after you're done with that, just click save, and that sets up your canvas. Okay, and you're ready to go. And then you can add a send message button here if you're going to have it send some sort of an action button here too as well, or send a message to your different people on your page and let them know that you've created this instant experience canvas here. All right, and then after that, it's just a matter of clicking share, and share it, and it will show up on their news feed as well as on your news feed as well. Okay, so that's how you work with the Facebook Canvas. It's a useful tool to really get good engagement with your followers on your page, and it's a great tool where you can do lots of different things at one time. You can add several different components to it and create a whole experience for your people on your page to be able to interact with it and interact either with your offers or your business or whatever it is. It's a great little marketing tool. So, all right, that takes care of that. The next tip number 2 is Facebook Insights. On your Facebook Insights up here, you'll see it usually at the top of your page. Now, this is after you're logged into your business manager and you're administering your page. This isn't how your page will look to other people on their newsfeed, or even when they come to your page. It's not going to look like what you see here. It's going to be different than this. It'll be more like the regular Facebook newsfeed or their Facebook profile type of thing, with their posts in it and comments from others and posts from other people, right? So just remember that this is your sort of like back office, so to speak. It's where you're administering your page. But up the top, you'll see up here it says Insights. So you're going to click on Insights. And this is useful for seeing and keeping up with how people are engaging with your content on your website, or your Facebook business page site. Okay? And you can see a lot of different things. Excuse me. Page views, page previews, page likes, reach, story reach, so on and so forth down through here, your followers and videos. You can see the different engagements and page likes with your posts and stuff. These are for ads here. This is the ads that you've run. You see the engagement on ads if you're running any Facebook ads, right? Because you're in the business manager, and you could have ads running at the same time, and you can check those out, so on and so forth. All right, and you can see which one of your posts is getting the most engagement on it of your posts, and there's things, and you can also click on these along the side over here and see the different actions and posts and videos that you've uploaded, and see all the different things in your analytics, basically, on the insights about your page. So that's useful to keep up with that. So it'll give you an idea how to things that you need to do to help improve your engagement and followers and things like that on your page for your business. All right, so that takes care of tip number 2 there. The third tip is scheduling posts. Scheduling posts is good if like, for example, it's good to be consistent with your Facebook page posts. You want to keep your audience engaged, right? So what about if you can't do that every day? Let's say if you're busy, and let's say you have to go away for a few days and you can't access your page, or you can't work with it. Well, this is where scheduling your posts comes in handy at, because you can schedule them way ahead. So let's come over here and take a look at that. So, for example, if we wanted to make a post, we'll click on Write a Post, and you can put in there what you want. You can upload a photo or a video, make a canvas, do whatever you want. But then down here, beside where it says Boost a Post, you see where it says Share Now right here. You click that little drop down arrow, it drops down a menu, and you see right here where it says Schedule. And you click on Schedule, and it brings up this menu here. And you can schedule your posts for as far out as you like, as many days or weeks or even months ahead, if you like. So this is very useful, and you can also choose the time that you want the post to be posted on your page on a certain day or day of a certain week or whatnot. So this is a very useful tip here to use this if you can't be interacting with your page regularly manually yourself. You can always just schedule a post, set up 4 or 5 posts for 4 or 5 days ahead, on one day, then you can just basically take 5 days off from your Facebook page and know that it's already being taken care of by Facebook itself. They're taking care of it for you. Alrighty, so that's a useful tip right there for your marketing to help keep your page looking as if you're interacting with it when you're actually not there. Okay, so that is tip number 3. And then tip number 4 is pinning posts. You want to, if you have like let's say you have a business, your business, and you have an offer that you've posted on your page here, right? Or for a product or service or whatever it is that you're offering, and and you want to pin that post so it's at the top of the page, so that it's the first thing that your people see when they come to your page, right? So the way to do that is you can, and it can be done with any post on your page that you want to do it with. The way you do that is you click the 3 buttons right here to the right of the post. The post is already there. Click the 3 buttons and it drops down, and the top one you see there says pin to the top of the page. If you just click on that, it'll pin that post at the top of the page up here, and when people visit your page, that'll be the very first post that they see. And so that's a useful tool if you want to promote your offers or products as well as too. Another tip basically about Facebook pages, you don't want to be constantly being salesy and posting constantly offers and for things like that and products, because that'll just turn people off. You want to provide value. Give them a video that you created, offer them a free ebook, offer them free cheat sheets, or excuse me, offer them like if you have some tips and tricks yourself and you've made this into like a PDF, you could offer that to them for free and give them something for free. Always give them value first. Give them, like for example, give them 4 posts worth of value, and then on the 5th post, post your offer or your product that you're trying to sell. So you don't want it keeps you from being too salesy and too much of a pitchman or a salesman. You don't want to turn people off. You want to keep them coming back to your page and engaging with your page, right? Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. Wanted to show you these 4 tips and tricks for marketing on your Facebook page, which are very useful. Alright, guys, if you got some value out of this video, reach down there for me and smash that thumbs up button. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business, reach down there below in the description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. And you can see and read that paragraph and see what all you get for checking that thing out. And you can get an incredible education just in affiliate marketing to help you in your affiliate marketing business. If you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, you're going to need some knowledge on marketing that business. Okay? Check that link out. Got plenty of other links down there below. And I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next video. All right, you guys take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye now.